Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video we will update your address on a State Farm insurance policy. This is very important if you've moved or changed your residential area. Now, first of all, go to the official State Farm website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to your policy management dashboard where all your insurance policies are listed. Select the policy you want to update and look for an option like Edit Policy Details or Update Address. Click on it and carefully enter your new address information. Make sure all details like street name, apartment number, and postal code are correct. After reviewing everything, save the changes. State Farm may send you a confirmation email once your update is processed successfully. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.